listening to the Agent Survival Guide podcast, a podcast for today's insurance agents. Informing, educating, empowering, improving the way you do business in an industry that's anything but static.
In today's episode, there are many tools you can put in your toolbox to improve your insurance business. One that will not only help the success of your business, but also improve your personal growth is adaptability. How to be an adaptable insurance agent, written by Lauren Hayden. In today's ever-changing world, being adaptable is not only good for business, it's also a necessity. As an insurance agent, you need this skill to keep up with the times and your clients' unique needs. We'll cover why and how being flexible in the insurance industry can help you to boost your business in the long run. You never know what life is going to throw your way, so it's important to expect the unexpected. When the unexpected happens, don't let it be too disruptive. Be willing to adapt and tackle a tough situation or change with confidence. The insurance industry itself is always evolving. You must be prepared for compliance updates, carriers expanding business territories, clients qualifying life events, and so much more. If you want to be successful in the modern business world, you need to keep up with new technology. Technology and task automation are ingrained in our everyday lives. From a business perspective, adapting to new technology can help you become a much more efficient insurance agent. There's nothing wrong with paper applications, but if you haven't tried online enrollments with Ritter Insurance Marketing's Shop and Enroll, it's worth a shot. This tool is easy, effective, and user-friendly. You can create your own free website to complete safe and compliant Medicare enrollments online. Your website can also help you engage with leads and prospects, which can never hurt. Shop and Enroll has customer relationship management, CRM for short, capabilities which allows agents to use shared client records to send drug cost estimates and pre-filled applications to clients, making the process convenient for both you and your client. The Ritter platform is another technological advancement created by Ritter to help agents like you. This comprehensive agent dashboard can help you keep track of your client data, contracts, enrollments, downlines, and commissions in one convenient place. You can also utilize our Tasks tool to make handy to-do lists and stay on track with scheduled appointments. Our flexible software is developed in-house with our agents in mind. We take our agents' input into consideration when making any changes and advancements to our technology, so you can be confident the resources you're using are adaptable, compliant, and personalized. Technology can help you boost and streamline your business if you're willing to try something new. Speaking of putting comments into consideration, use feedback to your advantage. Being adaptable also means responding to constructive criticism. Ask your clients for feedback often and listen to what they say with an open mind. Adjusting your work style or how you go about helping clients to meet their needs may help you become an overall better insurance agent. Granted, their requests should be reasonable, and fingers crossed, you won't have to deal with a difficult client. But if they would like you to follow up with them more often, or have more availability in your schedule, adapting to meet their needs should only improve your chances of retaining their business. Moving on to our last but very important point, embrace new challenges. Just as adapting to change can help you grow, so can embracing new challenges. When you tackle a problem with a positive attitude and an open mind, you allow your business the ability to flourish. Focus on stepping outside of your comfort zone when a challenge arises. For example, it might be difficult to find coverage for a client with a certain condition or specific prescription. But it's your job to help your client find a plan that fits their needs. You may come across some personal or professional challenges too, like making time to complete your continuing education requirements and always staying compliant with the Medicare Advantage and Part D communication requirements. Make adjustments accordingly to take on these challenges with confidence. Permit yourself to try something new when looking for a solution and see how over time, being adaptable will lead to less stress for you and even happier, more satisfied clients. In any business, but especially the insurance industry, being adaptable can only work in your favor. Next time the opportunity arises to practice your new sales approach, we hope you'll keep this advice in mind. Being an effective, successful agent comes from more than just knowing the ins and outs of insurance. It's also about your ability to be flexible, driven, and willing to help your clients in the best way you can. Remember that each client is different and will have their own unique needs. If you can adapt to your clients and the changes that come about in the industry, you'll be set. If you have any questions about what we touched on in this episode, don't hesitate to reach out by emailing us at asgpodcast@ritterim.com or leave a voicemail on our hotline. The number is 717-562-7211. Thank you so much for listening. We will see you next episode. The Agent Survival Guide podcast is a production of Ritter Insurance Marketing, an integrity company. This episode was written by Lauren Hayden, script proofing by Sarah Ruppel, recording and production by me, Tina Lamoureux, podcast design by Urban Rivera, artwork by Vivian Zhao. Rate and review our show on Apple or Spotify.